is Alex Mertz, riding shotgun, gonna answer some questions. Last day in Alaska. Let me dig deep. Beverage of choice. Whiskey 7. How many do I have to ask you?
5.
5? That's one down. Oh fuck, that's a big one. Eat lettuce or the rabbit eating the lettuce? Never had rabbit, I'll eat the rabbit. Chase that fucker down and chop him up. Oh. Oh. Powder or rails or sweet titties? Sweet titties. There's only one pair for me though. You know who you are.
Girl.
How many is that? 3? Yeah. Oh. Potato chips, peanuts, or pork rinds? I go tater chips. Alright, last one. Last and certainly least. Britney Spears or NPR? NP fucking R. Fucking support your local radio.